Hello everyone, in this video I explain you co-prime numbers, HCF by prime factorization method and HCF by division method. Okay.
So, what is the meaning of co-prime numbers? The numbers having no common factors other than 1 are called co-prime factors. Suppose I am taking 20 and 27. So first we find the factors of 20 and 27. Then how do we calculate? Just have a look here. I am writing 20 here and I am finding the factors. So by which number we divide this one? We can divide it by 2 because 2 tens are 20. Then further also we can divide by which number? Further also by 2. 2 5s are, then 5 1s are. Now calculate for 27 also. Because 27 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So just see 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 means 9 is divisible by 3. So we can divide it by 3. 3 9s are. 9 is again divisible by 3. So we can divide it by 3. 3 3s are, and then 3 1s are. So what are the factors? Just see 20 is equal to 2 multiply 5, and 27 is equal to 3 multiply 3.
Have you seen any common factor here? Nothing is common here, so it means we can write HCF is equal to 1. Okay, so we can say these two are the co-prime numbers, the number which are not having any of the common factors other than 1. These are called co-prime numbers. So in this way you can calculate co-prime number. Let's take one more example.
12 and 21. Now again you calculate their factors. 12. So 12 is even number, so we can divide it by 2. So divided by 2, 2 6s are, and then 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So the 12 is equivalent to 2 multiply 3. Now calculate for 21. 21, because 21 is an odd number, so it cannot be divided. It is not divisible by 2. So we can divide it by 3. 3 7s are 7. 7 is 7 1s are 7. So we can write 21 is equal to 3 into 7. Here you have seen 3 is common between them. 3 is common between them. So we can say HCF is 3. And so these are co-prime number? No, these are not co-prime number because they have one common factor, that is 3. So these are not common. No co-prime number. Not co-prime. So these are not co-prime numbers. Okay. Explain you HCF by prime factorization method. Suppose you have a number that is 48 and 56. Then how do you find the HCF by prime factorization method? So first we have to calculate the prime factors of these numbers. So first I am finding here 48, and the C 48 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 24 is again an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So we divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 12 is again divisible by 2, so write down 2 6s are. 6 is again divisible by 2, write down. Always divide these numbers by prime factors, okay, not by the other number, only by co-prime numbers. So 48. So 48 is equivalent to, write it down, 2 multiply
3. And 56 is?
56 is, it is also an even number, so divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. So 1 is there, 16. Now 2 8s are 60. Again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 14 is again even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 7s are, and 7 1s are. So 56 is equivalent to 2 multiply 7. So find out the common factors here. Just see this one. These are the common numbers here. 1, 2, and these 3. Only, so the HCF is, these are the common numbers. So write it down. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is the HCF of these two numbers by prime factorization method. Okay. Now the next number is 25 divided by 65. Okay, 25 and 65. This we find out with the division method. So divided 65 by 25. So 25 2s are 50 and it is 5 and 1. So again, now what we do next, we again divide this 25 by 15. So this is 15 ones are 15, so you write down 15 here, and it is 1 15 0 1. Okay, so now again you further divide it 15 by 10. So the value is 10 ones are 10 and 1 0, and it is 5 is left. Again you divide this 10 by 5, so it is 5 2s are 10. Now this time 10 is divisible, divided completely, and no remainder is left, so it means the last one number is your HCF. Okay. Another example of that is 15, 25, 35. Here you have to calculate the HCF by division method. Let's take any of the two numbers. Suppose I am taking these two numbers first, 15 and 25. Now divide them. 15 ones are 15 and the remainder is 0, 1. Now what to do again? Again write down this number here and divide it by the remainder of this number. So 10 ones are 10. Again divided 5. Here you will get, here you write down 10. Then 5 2s are 10. From here you have HCF. From here HCF is 5. Now use these numbers 5 and 35. Now find out the HCF of these numbers. So write a smaller number you write down here and the bigger one is here. 5 7s are 35. So it is completely divisible here. It means 5 is the HCF of that number. So HCF is equivalent to 5. Okay everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.